Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us for this month's market update from BentOak Capital. November delivered strong momentum across financial markets, and we're excited to share the key takeaways. I'm Michael Cochran, and I'll walk you through what mattered most and what we're watching as we head towards 2026. We'll cover the key themes you should be aware of, and as always, please stay tuned for important disclosures at the end of this video. Equity investors had a lot to be thankful for in November. Despite a brief pullback mid-month, the major U.S. stock indices rallied to finish near all-time highs. The S&P 500 notched its seventh straight month of gains, supported by growing expectations for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, improving economic and earnings trends, and continued momentum in artificial intelligence investment. As we step into December, the job market will remain a key guidepost. While we expect hiring to slow modestly, continued job growth should help sustain consumer spending through the important holiday season. Looking further ahead, the One Big Beautiful Bill Act introduces meaningful tax relief starting in early 2026, adding some fuel to consumer purchasing power. Affordability challenges remain, though, especially for households feeling the strain of higher living costs, and policymakers are beginning to focus more directly on these pressures. Switching gears, corporate America continues to deliver. The third quarter earnings results were strong, with over 80% of S&P 500 companies outperforming expectations, marking 4 straight quarters of double-digit profit growth. Businesses are managing costs well, expanding margins, and showing confidence in the outlook, prompting analysts to lift earnings estimates heading into 2026. In short, these results support staying aligned with long-term equity trends. As we look ahead to 2026, there are 5 key factors we're watching closely that will help shape market conditions. First, labor market strength and the Federal Reserve's interest rate path. Second, sustained investment and discipline around artificial intelligence. Third, global currency trends and the relative strength of the U.S. dollar. Fourth, hard to believe, but upcoming U.S. midterm elections. And lastly, just the persistent geopolitical risks. Each of these factors has the potential to create periods of volatility in the coming year, and we'll continue to monitor developments closely and keep you informed as the environment evolves. At BentOak Capital, we believe thoughtful diversification, disciplined rebalancing, and a focus on long-term strategy remain essential. Market pullbacks are normal and can create attractive opportunities for investors prepared to stay the course. With structural growth drivers still in place, including AI and fiscal stimulus, we see continued potential for patient investors. As we wrap up the year, our team at BentOak Capital is here to support you. If you or someone you know has any year-end planning needs, please feel free to reach out or pass along our information. We're always glad to visit and help in any way we can. From all of us at BentOak Capital, we wish you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We're grateful for your trust and look forward to continuing to serve you in 2026.